Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In today's video, we have another challenging question from radical equations. The given equation is square root 2 times x minus 2 whole cube plus square root 2 times 3 minus x whole cube equal to 1. And we are going to calculate real solutions only. So let's get started by dividing both sides root 2. Now I can cancel root 2 and root 2 from numerator denominator. So equation will become square root x minus 2 whole cube plus square root 3 minus x whole cube equal to 1 over root 2. Now I will use substitution. So let us consider x minus 2 equal to a and 3 minus x equal to b. For real solutions, x minus 2 and 3 minus x should be positive. So condition on a and b will be positive. Once I will add these two equations, I can write a plus b equal to 3 minus 2, 1. Let us call equation 1. And after substitution, our original equation will become square root a cube plus square root b cube equal to 1 by root 2. Let us consider this is equation 2. Let's solve for the value of a or b. Here a plus b equal to 1. Square root a cube plus square root b cube equal to 1 over root 2. Now I will consider our first equation a plus b equal to 1. Consider cubing both sides. So power 3, a plus b whole cube formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b equal to 1 cube is 1. A plus b is 1. So I can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. It is equal to 1. Or we can write the value of a cube plus b cube. This will be equal to 1 minus 3 times ab. Let us call this is our equation number 3. Now I will consider our second equation. Let me write here square root a cube plus square root b cube equal to 1 by root 2. Consider squaring both sides. So power 2. Now a plus b whole square. It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can write a cube plus b cube plus 2 times square root a cube times square root b cube equal to 1 by 2. Or I can write a cube plus b cube plus 2 times square root a cube b cube equal to 1 by 2. Or I can write a cube plus b cube plus 2ab square root ab equal to 1 by 2. Or we can collect the value of a cube plus b cube. This will be equal to half minus 2ab root ab. This equation would be our fourth equation. And if you will see, equation 3 and equation 4 both are equal to each other as we have LHS a cube plus b cube. So let's equate RHS also. I will write 1 by 2 minus 2ab square root ab equal to 1 minus 3 times ab. Now we will consider square root ab equal to t. Condition on t would be t positive and ab will be t square. Let's apply. So our equation will become half minus 2t square times t equal to 1 minus 3 times t square. Or we can write half minus 2t cube. This will be equal to 1 minus 3t square. take all the terms to RHS. So 2t cube minus 3t square plus 1 minus half. So plus half equal to 0. Let's multiply this equation by 2. So 4t cube minus 6t square plus 1 equal to 0. So this is our cubic equation. 4t cube minus 6t square plus 1 equal to 0. Let's solve using rational root theorem and synthetic division method. So I will write equation as 4t cube minus 6t square plus 1 equal to 0. So let's write all the eligible factors of constant written term 1. So it would be plus minus 1. Similarly, I will write for leading coefficient also. So plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 4. Now we have to consider the ratio of constant to leading coefficient for our base solution. So if I will consider 1 over 1, so it will be, if I will write here t is equal to 1. So 4 minus 6 plus 1. No, it is not 0. T equal to minus 1, minus 4, minus 6 plus 1. No, it is not 0. Let's consider t is equal to half. So 4 times 1 over 8 minus 6 times 1 over 4 plus 1. So yes, it is half minus 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, it is making our RHS 0. That means t is equal to 1 by 2 is our base solution. Now I will use SDM, synthetic division method, for remaining two solutions or roots. Let us write all the coefficient of cubic equation. 4 minus 6, 0, 1. Leading coefficient 4 as it is 4. Now we will multiply half times 4, 2. So minus 4. Half times minus 4, minus 2, minus 2. Half times minus 2, minus 1, 0. Here we have coefficient for quadratic equation. Equation would be 4t square minus 4t minus 2 equal to 0. One solution is confirmed, that is our base solution, and it is positive, t is equal to half. Let's find out the remaining two. Let me solve this quadratic equation first. 4t square minus 4t minus 2 equal to 0. Equation is divisible by 2. So 2t square minus 2t minus 1 equal to 0. Let's apply quadratic formula. So t will be equal to minus b. So 2 plus minus under the root b square. So 4 minus 4ac. So plus 8 divided by 2a. 2 times 2, 4. So I can write here 2 plus minus square root 12. It is 2 root 3 over 4. Or I can write 1 plus minus root 3 over 2. Or we can write with plus sign, it would be 1 plus root 3 over 2. And with negative sign in between, I will write 1 minus root 3 divided by 2. As we know, root 3 is 1.732 approximate value. So this will be negative. And condition on t was t should be greater than 0. So we will reject this. Only t is equal to 1 plus root 3 by 2, it would be accepted. So far, we have two real t. T is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 plus root 3 over 2. And t was our substitution. It was root AB equal to 1 by 2 and 1 plus root 3 by 2. Let us find out AB by considering square both sides. So 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4, and this whole square, then I will apply a plus b whole square formula. 1 plus 3 plus 2 root 3. Denominator square will be 4. So this will be, this value, it will be equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 divided by 4, or I can write 2 plus root 3 by 2. So we have finally AB is equal to 1 by 4 and AB is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2. Now we have our equation number 1, A plus B equal to 1. Now I can frame two systems, A plus B equal to 1, AB is equal to 1 by 4. This is our first system. And second system, A plus B equal to 1 and AB is equal to 2 plus root 3 by 2. We have to solve these two one by one. Let us solve. Let me consider one quadratic equation whose roots are A and B. Then this is sum of roots, this is product of roots. This is sum of roots, this is product of roots. So let's frame one quadratic equation in A itself. A square minus sum of roots, it is 1, so only A, plus product of roots. So I will write plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. And second quadratic equation, I will write A square minus A, it would be as it is, plus product of roots. So 2 plus root 3 over 2. RHS will be 0. So we have to solve these two quadratic. Let us solve. So I will be writing A square minus A plus 1 by 4 equal to 0. And second equation was A square minus A plus 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 equal to 0. So we can say this LHS is one perfect square. A minus 1 by 2 whole square equal to 0. So we can write from here A is equal to half and A is equal to half. And if I will check discriminant for this quadratic equation, then I will write here delta is equal to B square minus 1 square minus 4 times A times C. It is 2 plus root 3 by 2. So I can write 1 minus 2 times 2 plus root 3. Now you can see 1 minus 4 minus 2 root 3. This value will be always negative. Complex solutions will be there. So we can reject this quadratic equations. So I will be writing here rejected. Now A was our substitution. A was equal to x minus 2. So I will be writing here x minus 2 equal to half with multiplicity 2. So x will be equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 or 5 over 2. So this is our final solution. Let us cross check whether it is true or not. So I will be writing our equation. Check LHS. Square root 2 times in bracket. Equation is here. X minus 2. So 5 by 2, it is 2 and half minus 2. So half will be there. Half whole cube plus square root of 2 times 3 minus 2 and half. So again it would be half there, whole cube. So this will become the square root of 2 over 8. So 1 over 4 plus square root of 2 over 8. So 1 over 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 1, and this is our RHS. Hence verified. So our final solution for this radical equation, it is x is equal to 5 by 2. And this brings the end of the video, friends. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself and bye bye.